Hey everyone, it's Char from Char's Fashion Nation, and I haven't done a cooking video in a while. I have some toast toasting in the air fryer at the moment, and let me show you the ingredients of what I'm making this morning. That was an ad. So I have sliced up some tomato. I have some smoky cheddar. I'm going to use this as a cream base. By the way, this is really good. Dried Italian salami, and give me a moment and I'll show you how this is gonna work. Okay, now that I have the toast toasted and from the air fryer, because you know there's that setting, we are going to put this like this in here. I know that might seem weird to some people, but when you can get the flat against the flattest curve, you know you're doing okay. Okay, so do that. You can put it the other way if you want to. That's up to you. I already have to wash this knife anyway. Well, I just took it out. It's clean. I'll end up having to wash it. But, so the step to this is, you know we love this stuff. It's just like you would butter bread. Sometimes I use a spoon to do that. If that's weird, whatever. So just make sure that you get all 4 pieces nice and covered. And this is a gluten-free meal, so do remember that. Keep that in mind for those of us that have to do gluten-free. I know I have a subscriber out there. Well, at least I hope you're subscribed. It'd be a shame if you aren't. Out there, I do have a viewer out there that she also has to do gluten-free. And I know she appreciates when I show the gluten-free stuff. So you're welcome. So we both have a life battle with whatever. You already know mine. So basically, there you go. All 4 of these are dressed like that with the base sauce. Now what we are going to do is lay down our dry salami. I know this is a weird view, isn't it? I have one of the stands sitting on top of my Amazon kettle. Take your dry salami. This stuff is really good. And you can just layer it on like this. Now you want it fully covered. So yes, this is a lot of protein, but you actually need protein so that during your day, when you're doing whatever, especially in this hot weather, right? A lot of people don't think about this. Even if it's salami, right? It's a cold meat that's cured and ready to eat. And yes, my hands are clean, people. I do have some people that ask, did you wash your hands? I wash my hands every time I go to the bathroom. Thank you. So, what I will end up doing with this is I will put this back on the bread setting. Now, if you don't know this, and you used to watch me eat the Wawa breakfast sandwiches, like we'd freeze some, and then I would thaw it and then put it on the bread setting to here, Rob, you want some salami? Okay. So, now, we put on our tomatoes. That's the reason why I just did that, because you want this and this. Don't be afraid to eat this part of the tomato. It's not going to hurt you. Honestly, that's not going to hurt you to eat that part. You're not going to be growing tomatoes in your gut. Okay? Easy peasy cleanup. And a minute. Now we are going with the cheese. And the only reason I'm actually putting it in this pan is because I don't want cheese all over my other pan. Does that make sense? And the other thing that I do after I'm done, you know, with all this, is I try to pause if I'm using my phone like I am right now. Is I will pause and then put everything away, especially in today's heat. How hot is it out there, Rob? Not that bad? Huh? Sprinkling. Well, it's sprinkling rain out there. So now we're just going to take this and put it in the air fryer on the bread setting for about 5 minutes, because that's what it goes on. And then in that 5 minutes, we will be back. Like I said, my hands are clean. Look, I even keep a napkin in case. And I have hand sanding available. Or I could just run in the bathroom and wash my hands real quick. Anyway, like I said, we'll be right back. And just so y'all know, it is on the bread setting. And we just hit to turn that on. We just tap that and turn it on. And now we'll really be back with breakfast. Okay, so I had these in for 4 minutes. They look really good. They smell really good. The only thing I didn't do, which is something I usually do, is I did not put balsamic on this. Now that's something that I would end up doing. I don't have any more cooking tongs, so this is my fix for that. 2 forks. So, but you know what though? The salami has enough flavor in it that I don't think that will really matter. Now I'm gonna plate mine and meet you over to eat. So here is breakfast. Of course, you know I always have to have my Death Wish coffee. Today it's the blueberry, otherwise called blue and berried. So I'm gonna switch this around and let you know. I don't want to accidentally kick over my coffee if that happens. Oh, it's so fucking hot. Woo. And I did not have it on the regular cook setting. Huh? Yeah, if you don't mind. Yeah, nobody will actually care if it's on. I'm wearing shorts anyway. No, you can go. I'm not recording yet. I think. Oh, it started to record. I'm sorry, everyone. Hold on. Oh, I didn't mean for him to get in this. I thought that I stopped recording. I guess it was still recording. Whatever. bloopers happen. No, I thought it stopped recording, Rob. The only thing people saw was your back. So, give me a minute. Now that Rob knows the flu boo, he's kind of laughing about it because you saw his back. So, now it's time to eat those. Oh my god. That, my friends, oh goodness. What do you think, Rob?
Very good.
The flavors together, right? Now, the base sauce that I laid down actually has real bacon and real onion in it, so that was a way just to put onion on there and not have to cut it, and bacon, which costs less. Now, now that I taste the flavors, even if I had put the balsamic on there, that would have just been a little extra. Don't forget, balsamic actually kills gut bacteria or any viral bacterias. Remember to use that in most of your savory foods, unless of course it's the strawberry balsamic. That's more of a dessert balsamic. Trust me, there's different ones. They even have a raspberry one. In my opinion, I got a piece of that tomato in there with that tomato. What do you think of that after you like bit into the tomato with it? Yes, you. Sasquatch.
I'm still eating it. It's good.
Yeah. So anyway, if you want, give this a try. I'm sure that you can even make this in a toaster oven if you have one. The Deco Chef air fryer is very versatile for different things. And I haven't done a Deco Chef shout out in a while. So anyway, just remember, when you want to make yourself something healthy but extremely tasty, you can do it in your oven. You do it in a toaster oven, or you can do it in an air fryer. So anyway, stay happy, stay healthy, stay positive, and as always, stay blessed. I need to eat what?
It's very good.
It is. Rob needed to put in his last opinion because it is very good. Anyway, and don't forget to have some Deathwish coffee with your food. Oh my gosh, that blueberry coffee with this, just like chasing that with the blueberry, that is very good. So anyway, just let you know what's good, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.